A very warm welcome to Ulwazi Nezindaba. So guys, I remember carefully Goguti, there's a certain gay that every single time a maga poster on social media platforms he was being tracked, he was being talked upon, and nje adraga ngalendlela lesimanga. So Dominic being herself nehlido yakhe lenhle took it upon herself la khona avela nje asho ukuthi cha guys endulini yendako it is totally wrong, and washo phela kulo muntu ukuthi utomnceda la atawukhona khona. Honestly speaking, Dominic did not make any major promises in helping out this person. I remember she spoke of makeup and all those skin care routines. So now the very same person is coming again like internet and dragging Dominic ngalendlela lesimanga uthi yena Dominic akakaze nje amncede ngalutho ever since kude nje into labona yena amncede ngayo. So nje uyakhala simayemaya ukuthi abakhulumise Dominic ngoba akaze receive even a single cent guys. Sekungene ngisho netindzaba temali. So Dominic also took it upon herself and did a video la khona expressing on how atfolakala ngakhona alekwa nginhlamba left right center, all because according to some people akakamncedzanga kulo muntu phela as expected or as bona bebasethela ama standard ngakhona. So uyachaza futhi ukuthi kwaba khona even nema donations, and then I think they're around 2.5. So nyalo nje bonakala ngathi as though yena kumbe le mali uyidlile or anything close to that. So nje Dominic in the video la yenda uyasho ukuthi, you know what, akungcono ngithi distance from this whole thing, because it seems as though kunebantu vele laba entitled ngalendlela lesibanga, of which is quite unfair. You are very much welcome to share your views on Ulwazi Nezindaba.
Yeah, hi Dominic. This is Gay Zaca. I saw your video, so I will appreciate your help. Tata Molohoring Asman Lemang. Okay, so with communication, we will communicate on this account on Steng Dimasingi, and until Rekopana, then we will take it from. Hello, guys. Yeah, guys. Video related Dominic. You can share this video, guys, because Dominic since I read video area not on Tuesday, so I see we on Tuesday until today, because every time I'm stratem but wabutisa, so but waban Tuesday, ke batho ba lo horeng ke ba mo TikTok, so le bona ka ba leboha for that. So Dominic yena anthusa ka selo le ka center until today. So every time I'm strating ka bona la butsisa, guys. So I wish you Dominic a great video and then I respond there.
Yeah, because le go comment section la butsisa le mo re tlhakanang le bona Jonah le Shapu la butsisa ke Dominic a wirileng ke batho ba ba thusang ba le bona ba tshwanang le ena Dominic ba nyakile thusa ba khona re kreya ba khona mo thusa se ba mthusang ka sona.
Ningtuga anazi nokuthi what's the full story, but that's okay. You guys are used to Ningtuga. It's been 4 years of Nina Ningtuga and Sengjoyen. I was asked to build a house. If anyone has ever built a house, you will understand that when someone asks you to build a house, it is a huge responsibility. Now, I know there's an idea that you guys think I have a lot of money, and I don't want to say I don't have a lot of money because I don't know what a lot of money is, but I have enough money to sustain myself and my family and my responsibilities. Building a house is not something that I can do in a month just because you asked me about it. Building a house is not something that I can do in a day just because you asked me to do it. I don't have that amount of money, right? There was no way in my plans where I thought I'll be building someone a 1 or 2 bedroom house. So I then took time to figure out how do I do that. Building a house requires I need to find a site. I need to find electricity, water, building material, pay the builders, planners, you name it. I'm Dominic, I'm alone. All the charitable deeds that I do them as Dominic and on my own, and then my followers and supporters will assist. For that specific gentleman, 2,500 Rand was raised, and I communicated that, and then I said, okay, let me figure this out, and then I will let you know. So I'm figuring out how to build a house. If you guys have the capacity to help me build a house, please, by all means, help me. Because I myself as Dominic, Andinayo imali yokwakha umuzi, babes. I've been building my mother's house since 2017. If it took me that long to build my mother's house, how am I going to give someone a house then in a month or two? So with that being said, so you guys stop swearing at me. I'm going to remove myself from the situation completely. I'm going to hand over the 2,500 rand that was raised, and I'm no longer going to do anything else above and beyond that. I'm not going to do the house. I'm not going to build the house. I'm not going to do anything. The people also have access to reach out to me in any other way, but a video was done. And this is why I've slowed down helping people. This is why I've stopped completely. This is why I don't do it anymore. Because abantu angibazi banjani nifike nixoxe nizwane, everything is good, everything is okay. But ababesabuya kuwena, they don't come back to you, the person. And unfortunately, Mina, this is exhausting me, to be honest. And it's not the first person, it's not the second person. It's maybe now the fourth or fifth person that I've tried helping. And they ask me for izinto that I can't do. The last person I tried to help demanded a phone from me. And I was like, yo, I'm not doing this. I'm not going to buy you a phone. So, yeah, I'm going to hand over. I did send a DM already in response, but I don't have money to build a house. I don't. The cosmetics and other things they asked for, yeah, sure, that I could have figured out. The issue was the house, and I communicated this with the relevant person, say, yo, I just don't have capacity to build you a house. I am figuring it out, but I don't think I will, but give me a few months. It's been 2 months. Where do you think I found money in 2 months to build a house? Ngiyazisola. I'm telling you, ngiyazisola.